Okay. Uh, Good evening, YouTube. This is Mr. Anonymous Caller here once again. Uh, it has been many days since I have posted a video. Uh, uh, I was actually quite ill for the past couple of days, and after my recovery, I just was plain lazy, So I didn't get around to posting any videos. But anyway, this video is about a very interesting topic. Uh, I was a couple of days back, just after my recovery. I was back from work in the evening. It was about 8 o'clock, if I recall correctly. I was having my dinner, basically moving around the house, doing nothing, basically, and uh, I began to think, you know, about anything, you know. So oddly enough, this little proverb just happened to come to my mind. It's a very famous one. It says, God helps those who help themselves. You know. So I began to think more deeply about it, and these thoughts began to come to my mind. You know, so let's just analyze uh, what you mean when you say God helps those who help themselves. Okay, it basically means that work very hard, be the best you can be, achieve your goals, so on and so forth, and then uh, go ahead and attribute your success to God. You know, basically it means that you have little or no role to play in your own success. Only God is responsible. You know, I mean, the more I think about it, the more I begin to realize that this is just about the most bullshit, the dumbest proverb ever to be made. You know, I mean, let me give you a couple of scenarios. That have come to me, and I have jotted them down. Uh, in my country, okay, India, uh, there are so many poor people, okay, uh, uh, tens of millions of people living below the poverty line, okay, basically who have absolutely no means of helping themselves. you know uh, the only chance that they have of bettering themselves is through active state intervention. So in this case, they have absolutely no means of helping themselves. Okay. Also consider probably a terminally ill cancer patient, you know who has, let's say, no more than 6 months to live. Basically, who is absolutely in the mercy of the doctor. So now please tell me, um, why has your sky daddy conveniently gone on a vacation when it comes to these people? you know why does God not help them? The answer is very simple. uh, Although the proverb might sound extremely stupid, the people behind this proverb are actually quite cunning. This is just another mechanism by the religious elite. Or when I say the religious elite, what I mean is the people at the helm of various religious institutions to perpetuate religious beliefs based on half truths and whole lies. This is basically what it boils down to. you know these are my thoughts. Please feel free to comment. Please feel free to post response videos. Yeah. Anonymous caller out. Yeah. Bye.